together with the HTA, we put on this great event. And I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who's made the effort to arrive today to visit, and also all of the exhibitors for all the effort you put into showcasing all of your great products and news stories. So thank you. And for once, we've not been affected by snow, rain, train strikes. Hopefully, all of the exhibitors, if they're entering a new product, they do pay a small amount, and all of the money raised for that new product area goes towards Green Fingers. So we had over 60 entries, so I'm pleased to say that today we've raised around £3,000, over £3,000 just for Green Fingers. So thank you everybody who's contributed to that. And I think probably since this is our 18th event, I don't know, £30,000, £40,000 raised for Green Fingers just for this event? I don't know, maybe. It'd be nice to think that was the case anyway. So, visitors have been voting for the best new product, and I won't keep you in suspense any longer, but I'm pleased to say that the best new product for this year is wall pots. Voting going on, so there's been a troop of people going around voting on the best stand, and that's been judged on sort of innovative display, impact, attention to detail, etc., etc. And hopefully our winner this year, you will agree, ticks all of those boxes. So I'm very pleased to announce that the winner of the Best Stand Award this year is Blue Diamond and National Trust.